It is 7 something na guys, and nagigising ko lang. Nagising ako kanina kasi naglabing kay mister. So ngayon, bumalik ako natulog. And then yun, nagising na naman. And then si mister andun sa shower kasi aalis na naman siya. Late siya nakauwi kagabi. Palagi na lang ito, ganito yung story natin guys. Late siya nakauwi. Meron ba kayong naalala nung kabataan ninyo? Meron kayong naalala sa, meron akong marami akong naalala yung kabataan ko nung elementary, sa province, sa probinsya, and then, bukid, rin, diba? Baryo. So, maliit lang, diba? Nung unang panahon, nung baryo, ngayon na lumaki na tayo, kasi pag, maalala tayo na tao, uy, mabait yun sa akin noon, ganun ba? Meron lang ako mga ganong mga naalala, like, for example, andito na ako, and then, meron akong yung taong yun ba, yung taong yun, mabait siya sa akin, nung bata pa kami, yung sa elementary, yung mga ganon, kahit hindi mo kaano-ano, mabait, ganon, or may cousin ka na sobrang bait sa'yo, ganon, or yung kasama sa simbahan, ganon. Meron akong mga na ganyang story, guys, na naalala ba, na, wow. And then, meron din akong naalala na hindi naman salbahe, pero iba lang yung trato sa'yo. Yung parang dahil mahirap ka, ganon. Yung family mo sobrang hirap. Meron ba kayong naalala niya, guys? Mga kapitbahay. Or yung kapitbahay ninyo salbahe. Or yung ninyo, hindi magpautang noon, yung tindahan. O kung meron talaga akong naalala noon talaga. So, anuhin tayo ng parents ko. O magpunta ka doon para mangutang. May pa yun, listahan noon. May listahan yung mangutang. Niya ibigay sa tindera, sa may-ari. And then yun. And then sabihin na, ay, palagi na lang kayong utang dito. palagi na lang kayo ng uutang dito. Hindi pa ngayon na bayaran. Ganun. Meron akong naalala. So, kaya, asalbahin niya yun. Ang sabihin ko sa inyo, asalbahin talaga yun siya. As in. Kung may nanonood dito na nga taga sa amin, yung sa baryo, taga baryo kung saan kami. Kung meron mang nanonood dito, hindi nila mag-gets. Mga individual na tindahan yun ba? Individual na tindahan. Salbahe talaga siya. Kasi, yung parang, magpautang siya, pero ang dami mo pang maririnig. Ang dami mo pang maririnig na mga sasabihin. Ganun. And then, binabayaran naman, di ba? Pag may pera. Binabayaran naman, hindi naman inano na, katulad ngayon na, katulad kasi ngayon guys, ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, mangutang ka, singilin ka, nagagalit pa yung may utang sa iyo dahil singil ka ng singil, di ba? Pero nung unang panahon, hindi ka man sinisingil, binabayaran mo ng kusa. Kami sana experience ko yung papa ko o mama. Magbabayad yun sila. Pero ngayon, yung matanda na sila guys, ako na tigbayad sa ilang utang. Mangutang sila, ako na ang magbabayad. Pero noong mga bata pa kami, talagang magbabayad, pero ang dami mong maririnig. For example, talagang walang-wala ka. And then, mangutang na naman. So, nag-file yung utang, nag-file, diba? Pero, yun, paminsan talaga, sobrang wala. Kailangan ng asin. Paano ba? Kailangan na maglauoy, magluto. Kailangan ng asin, bitchin, suka, ganun. Simple, tuyo, oil. Kailangan mo talaga. Kasi, kapag mga ganun, mga simple na mga utangin, ganun. Pero yung mga pagkain, hindi sa amin yan mga inuutang guys. Kasi inuutang nga yan, kain-kain ka pa. Yung mga chicherya noon, hindi talaga. Kasi papa ko magagalit. Kapag mangutang ka pa, bibili ka pa ng, dagdagan mo pa ng chicherya. Utang pa nga yan. Iwan ko, yung makarelate lang nito is yung mga talagang walang-wala sa probinsya. Yung sa baryo-baryo na lugar. Mga taga-bukid talaga. Kasi, kapag nakapunta yung parents mo sa big town, and then may mga market, may mga isdaan, mga ganun, lahat na ando na maraming tao. Yung parang city na siya, marketplace. Kapag magpunta doon, pag uwi talaga guys, ang saya. Kasi nga, maano ko ba na, may maraming dalang, maraming dalang isda, at saka maraming dalang, guys, yung bread, yung tinapay, grabe, ang saya namin noon guys, yung tinapay talaga. Maalala ko noon yung tinapay, pag alam namin na 12 o'clock or 1, 2 o'clock ng hapon, patungo na yung jeep. Kasi noon sa probinsya, isang malaking jeep, yun yung kargahan. Yun yung kargahan ng mga tao. 19 ano pa ito guys, 1990. Sa 90s pa ito guys, grabe talaga naalala ko guys. 80s, 90s kasi yung mga ganon niya. Magpunta ka sa big town and then magbaligya ka, yung mga pako, yung mga tinanim mo ng mga gulay, ibinta mo doon. Noong unang panahon talaga, ang 500, yung 1,000 sobrang lucky mo na kapag may 1,000 ka. Kasi talagang makabili ka na ng isang sakong bigas. Yun lang. Yun yung share ko dyan. Sinong makarelate dyan sa inyo. Kasi naalala ko talaga. As in, iba talaga yung buhay noon. Yun lang. Hindi naalala ko talaga yung mga tao talagang mahilig tumulong. Yung bait. Meron talaga, hindi ko na i-mention dito ha. Meron talagang isang tao na sobrang bait sa amin, mga magpinsan. Kasama sa simbahan. Ika muna guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nalagsikan yung ilong ko. Oh my god. Ang sakit nun guys. Grabe. Oh. Paalis na yung mister ko. Nag-lipstick lang siya guys. Nag-lipstick lang siya. Lipstick eh. Nag-lipstick lang siya. Naku, nag-lipstick lang yung asawa ko. Anyway, say bye-bye to my vlog.
Bye-bye vlog.
Bye-bye vlog. Alis na daw siya. Ginawa ko.
Morning guys. I'm Mario. My wife is now gonna apparently let's go over comments from what color turmeric is. And I understand you can get into like colors like burnt sienna or something, but there was a basic challenge, just yellow or orange if you had to pick one of those two, because that's the way she laid it out. But now apparently she's read these comments and she's proud of herself, so she wants me to read them on the air so I can see that most people agree with her, which I can't imagine that's true, but okay. Okay, somebody says orange in my eyes. It says, is that good for sleep, turmeric? Yellow, orange. So somebody says yellow, orange.
That don't have argument, okay?
Oh.
Somebody said yellow.
Somebody says yellow. Somebody says, God bless you both. Someone else says yellow, orange.
There is an exact yellow-orange color.
What?
Is there a yellow-orange color?
Well, you're gonna get into, there are millions of colors. I mean, there are millions of shades of colors.
Okay.
So that's why I said you can get into burnt sienna. But
yeah, but look at how many people see something.
So I got another yellow or orange, and so not important, obviously. Someone else says orange. Someone says you're both correct. It's yellow, orange. Yellow, orange. Yeah, someone else says yes, madam. It's yellow. Someone says it's canary yellow. That's really bizarre.
What is canary yellow?
Canary yellow is not that. Canary yellow is a brighter yellow. Okay, yellow. It's a beautiful color. Yellow, orange. Yellow, orange. Orange in my eyes. It says I have a problem with my eyesight. Probably colorblindness. Okay, so I guess I'm colorblind. And this is why I knew she wanted to read it on air, because she thinks she's happy with the way it agrees with her. Another one, yellow, orange, yellow, orange. Someone else for me is yellow, yellow, orange, yeah, yellow, mustard, yellow, orange.
Yellow, okay. Turmeric mustard is a bit orange.
Bit of orange, bit of yellow. Why are you doing that?
Because that is their advertising shit.
Okay. Yellow, orange, yellow, orange. Orange or yellow, you're both correct.
So there's a lot of yellow. So what is really here, it's colorblind.
But she didn't say which one of us is colorblind. There you go. So which one of us is she responding to as colorblind? Someone said it's bright yellow. A bright yellow,
what do you think? Color. Is it a bright yellow?
Bright
it's
yellow.
Not really orange, honey. You see orange in the street, in the construction people, it is different.
It's not orange. But if you had two choices, yellow or orange, which one would it look closer?
Yellow.
It does not look closer to yellow. It's not. I disagree. Egg yellow, really? You want me to pour some on an egg and show you it's not egg yellow? Well, I will break open an egg and pour the turmeric on it and you can see the difference, egg yellow. Really? Mustard yellow, I'll put a pile of mustard and pour some on that and you can see it's not mustard yellow. Turmeric, dark yellow.
What is dark yellow?
Yellow, orange.
Google. A lot of people Google it. It says yellow, honey.
I don't care what Google says, really. What the hell do I give a crap what Google wants to say? I didn't ask them.
Yellow, 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 yellow. Yeah, it's a lot of yellow. And I win. And Tommy is colorblind.
A lot of people agree. Most people are saying it's a yellow-orange. But, I mean, then some people say it's bright yellow.
Honey.
I'm the colorblind one.
Honey,
really?
Honey. Hello guys. Ayun yeah guys. He doesn't want to be a colorblind. You guys are, he's mad at you now.
Colorblind. Okay. Give me a turmeric. I'll pour it on the table and I'll pour yellow crap on the table next to it.
Don't get mad.
Yellow.
There's a lot of, there's few people said that it's like, they mix it like yellow, orange, yellow, yellow, orange.
Like I said, we're aware that it's neither yellow nor orange. You can get into exact coloring, and you can look at color charts. There are how many millions of colors. So it's a shade of colors. You shift from shade to shade. So and it would probably, if I had to off the top of my head give it a color name, I'd probably go with burnt sienna because that's probably the closest name I can give it from colors I'm familiar with. I'm sure there are a million colors that I'm not familiar with may come closer.
He's going to work.
Yes, and I'm already running late. I'm finishing my coffee so I can go. Oh, yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for commenting. Even whether or not I agree with your comments, thanks for commenting anyway. But I stand my ground.
I stand my ground.
If I had to pick between one color or the other,
yellow.
I would go with orange.
Yellow. Yellow. Colorblind. Colorblind.
Colorblind.
Love you. I miss you already. You're always working.
Yeah.
Oh, he's working. I love this guy.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you for watching.